Today, I'm introducing the Cancer Prevention Nutraceutical Cocktail. We're going to be talking about the Mariva 500, the Crucera SGS, the Q-Best CoQ10, and the Vitamin D. All right, our first product is the Ultraplex Mariva 500. Now, this product actually comes from the plant turmeric. And if you've heard of turmeric, it's actually a root, and it's probably the most studied plant in existence today. Now, specifically, there's a component called curcumin. And curcumin is where you get all the benefit they're showing from the turmeric. And that's a part of the Mariva 500 product. What's interesting is there's been over 5,600 published, peer-reviewed biomedical studies confirming the benefit of curcumin coming from turmeric. Now, what I love about the Mariva 500 is that it actually contains a very, very potent dose of the curcumin. When you take in the curcumin, it's actually going to work with your body's own natural defenses to support your liver, support detoxification, and drive down the elevated level of cytokine activity. And that's a marker, once again, for inflammation. Guys, this is remarkable, it's very significant, and it's why the Ultraplex Mariva 500 is a critical piece to the anti-cancer or the cancer prevention nutraceutical protocol that we're going to be talking about with you today. Now, one of the problems with curcumin is that when you take it orally, it's really hard to get a high enough level in the blood to be therapeutic. So what I want you to know about the Mariva 500 is it's a very special delivery system of curcumin. And what we've done is we've taken technology that's proprietary out of Italy, where they've taken curcumin, which normally taken orally you won't get a high level in the blood, is they've bound it to phosphatidylcholine. Now, phosphatidylcholine is a part of all the cell membranes of every cell in our body. And this is huge because remember, health happens at a cellular level. So what they've done, they take this really pure nutrient or this nutraceutical like a curcumin, and they completely bind it and encase it in phosphatidylcholine. So when you take it orally and it gets into your body, a healthy cell will take in the phosphatidylcholine, and now that curcumin is released into the cell so you get strong and high levels of bioavailability. Remember, it's not what you're swallowing, it's what you're absorbing and then what you're getting into the cell. And absorption is getting it high into the blood. Bioavailability is getting it from the blood and driving it into the tissue cell. That's exactly what Mariva 500 does, and why I'm so excited about this product, not just for cancer prevention, but for overall health and supporting a healthy lifestyle that you're learning in your Elevation Health Center. Our next product is the Crucera SGS. Now, SGS stands for sulforaphane glucosinolate. Now, that is a challenging word to say, so we're gonna just call it SGS. Now, SGS is the component of cruciferous vegetables that provides most of the benefit. And there's so many benefits you get from eating broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, cabbage. These are all the vegetables that have super amazing ability to prevent cancer. It's the most nutritious vegetables that you can eat. This actually comes from the seed or from the sprout of broccoli. Now, what I love about sulforaphane is that it doesn't necessarily act like typical antioxidants. So what's gonna happen is when you take this product for several days, you're gonna get all this increased level of antioxidant activity, which could never ever happen from a direct antioxidant, but it does happen from an indirect antioxidant. So this is not just a suggestion to take this product. This is a powerful tool at helping prevent cancer, support your overall health goals, and just with one capsule of the Crucera SGS, you're going to get the equivalency of 2 pounds of broccoli. Our next product is our Q-Best. Now, Q-Best is a very advanced form of CoQ10, and it has a tri-lipid delivery system where you're going to get 2, 4, 6, maybe even 8-fold increase, not only in absorption, but in bioavailability. And CoQ10 is an intracellular antioxidant. It's huge with driving down inflammatory markers and supporting our immune system. Now, how does this relate to cancer? Well, what the data shows with cancer, once again, being an inflammatory condition, most cancer patients have depleted levels of CoQ10. Now, some of the things that can deplete your CoQ10 is also a bad lifestyle. So, too much sugar, trans fatty acids, too much stress, right? The things that can really deplete this, which is most of us. Now, another thing I want to mention is if you've ever been on a statin or a cholesterol reducing medication, or you're currently taking one of the problems, and there's many with that medication, is that it depletes your body of natural levels of CoQ10. And by doing this, not only can this increase inflammation, it can once again leave you vulnerable, and there's a higher probability that you could contract cancer. So this is a key piece and a key addition to the cancer prevention nutraceutical cocktail. You're now getting a very synergistic effect that not only helps you prevent cancer, reduces inflammation, is going to be one of your best things you can do to increase your health. And last but not least, one of my favorite products to talk about is vitamin D. And I love to get vitamin D from the sun, and it's really the best way to get it. However, a lot of us aren't getting healthy doses of sun. We're inside all day, we're slathering on sunscreen, we're sitting in front of a computer monitor, and we're not getting levels of D that's going to be advantageous to preventing cancer. And what's insane to me is that, skin cancer and other cancers have gone up dramatically, yet we're getting less sun than ever before. So that's a whole nother topic, but small doses of healthy sun is critical. But if you can't get the sun, we recommend supplementing vitamin D. Now, vitamin D influences every single cell and function in your entire body. And one of the beauties about vitamin D is one of nature's most potent natural cancer inhibitors. All the major cancers, whether it's lung, colon, breast, prostate, skin cancers, all those cancers are directly influenced by optimizing your vitamin D level. And we're going to be discussing how to optimize your vitamin D level at the cancer prevention workshop, so I want to make sure you get signed up for that. But for today's purposes, having optimal vitamin D is a critical piece to your anti-cancer or your cancer prevention program. Each one of these products that I discussed with you today have powerful benefits in and of its own. I don't want you to confuse that these products are a treatment for cancer, because they're not. Remember, your Core 4 system that you're learning in Elevation Health is a lifestyle that's proactive, that has the foundation of chiropractic and nerve supply, with great exercise and nutrition and powerful supplementation. All these things together can create a body that's healthy. Remember, cancer does not grow in a body that's healthy. So I want you to feel the difference Elevation Health Ultraplex line of products can make for you and your entire family. Have an awesome day.